Hi, Buster. Daddy wants to show you something. You want to see it?
Is that a crane truck and some semis?
There it goes. It's going up. Look how big it is. Wow. That is cool, huh? You see the boom, the big boom. It's got the tires and the cab. Isn't that cool, bub? Look, the crane truck even has a flag. It's got 2 flags. 1, 2 flags. And the straps. See the big straps? Big straps. Those are some big ones. Look how high up it is. Okay, now we're backing in the semi truck. He's got big pieces of concrete. They're right there. And the crane is gonna take its straps and hook to the concrete, and he's gonna pick it up because they're really, really heavy. Look how high up it is. Whoa, so high. There he goes, he's swinging it around. Now he's gonna hook up the straps. Look how big those straps are. Those are huge. Okay, now they got the straps hooked up. Oh, still got to get one more. Got to make sure all 4 corners are strapped good and tight. Alrighty, here it goes. The crane's starting to lift it. Oh, those straps are really tight. There he goes. Now he's got it. It's flying. Look how much that crane can lift. You're gonna spin it around. Whoa. He moved it all the way from the trailer over to the other side. Now he's setting it down. That's really cool. We have all the semi trucks and a crane truck.
Hard work, move on now. Hard work, got to go, make the call. Hard work, banging on the doors in the morning. Hard work, get up and let's go to work. Hard work, you pack up the shoes. Hard work, you load them up. Hard work, manifest. Hard work.
Okay, they're all done. Say bye-bye, crane truck. Good job. You worked hard today. That was really cool. Bye-bye, semi-trucks. Have a good day. You worked hard today, buddy. Good job. Here's the last one. Bye-bye, semi. And there comes the crane truck. It says oversized load. So big. Bye-bye, crane truck. You worked hard today. That was a pretty cool crane truck, wasn't it, Bubbers? All right, I love you. You have a good day. And be good for your mama. Mwah.